What if I tell you that the next target for organized crime could be your coffee? Theft of truckloads of green coffee beans is on the rise in the US, which is the world's largest coffee importer. Organized gangs posing as transportation companies are stealing shipments worth up to $180,000 per truckload. In the past year alone, dozens of thefts have been reported, a sharp increase from occasional incidents in previous year. The surge in thefts coincides with a 70% rise in Arabica coffee futures since November. Pushing prices to all-time highs, the U.S. National Coffee Association raised concerns at its recent conference in Houston, highlighting risks to supply chains. Importers are now adopting stricter security measures, including tracking devices on shipments. Meanwhile, similar thefts have been reported in coffee manufacturing nations like Brazil, where armed gangs recently stole 500 bags of coffee worth $230,000 from a farm. As global supply tightens, securing coffee shipments has become a growing challenge for traders. Skyrocketing coffee prices are disrupting the global supply chain, forcing traders to cut purchases and rethink strategies. Many small traders are struggling to afford green beans at current prices. While retailers push back against cost increases, some supermarkets have delayed negotiations, leading to shortages on shelves. A US-based executive warned that some buyers lack liquidity and fear that they will not be able to sell coffee at higher prices. This uncertainty has slowed transactions, with buyers now paying only after verifying bean quality on-site, a shift from previous practices. At the same time, major US coffee storage hubs near ports are operating at half their usual capacity. Low inventory levels are forcing companies to terminate warehouse leases early. With supply chain disruptions mounting, the industry is facing a prolonged period of instability. But until then, supply shortages and theft risks will continue to challenge the industry. As the market navigates these disruptions, industry leaders must adapt to a rapidly shifting landscape, balancing cost pressures with supply chain security in an increasingly volatile coffee trade. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.